everyone gets up in arms about labor and delivery and who they're going to have in the room, and not having, say, their mother-in-law or someone they're not super close with in the room because of the private parts aspect, because your private parts are going to be visible. And that's definitely important for sure. But I actually think the bigger reason why people don't have people that they aren't so close with in the room supporting them through labor and delivery is the labor part more than the delivery. Labor, even if you're medicated, unmedicated, like, you're gonna have discomforts and answer questions that you've never had before in your entire life. And so I think it makes sense that people only want someone with them while they're laboring who's already seen them like answer really personal questions, or, you know, knows the answers already, or has gone through something where they've experienced an acute pain or suffering or struggle, which is typically people who you're like so close with, like your own mom or your own sister or your husband, probably partner. So I would go out on a limb that the number of people who opt or choose to have their mother-in-law or someone who isn't a blood relative of theirs or an old long best friend in the labor and delivery room with them are people who have that type of relationship with their mother-in-law, where their mother-in-law has helped them process some sort of big loss, or their mother-in-law is a person that they go to confide in or talk about struggles with. Because although that might seem different than labor, it's kind of the same level of vulnerability. So anyways, I know the private parts piece is a big one, and it is. People's private parts are private, but I think it's that vulnerability piece. And so when you're wondering why people have just their mom, maybe in addition to their partner, if that's something they choose to do, know that their mom has helped them go through breakups, has helped them go through other medical things and injuries and recoveries before, has helped them through big challenges in their life, which is what labor will be.